Meaning of hegemonic.
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 Hegemonic. The word hegemonic refers to the dominance or leadership of one group or country over others in a particular field or area. It is often used to describe a situation where a particular group or country exercises control, influence, or power over others in their respective domains. For example, the United States has long been considered a hegemonic power in the realm of international relations. Its dominant position and ability to shape global politics and economics have made it the most powerful player on the world stage. In essence, hegemonic implies a state of dominance or control that is maintained through a range of means, including economic, political, and cultural influence.